So Volkswagen Golf MK5. This is the R32. As we've done a radio upgrade on it. So obviously they had the original standard radio. We've now changed it to a double din Alpine. The customer brought this to us. So if we start the vehicle up, as you will see, the Alpine unit will turn on. Obviously it's all in its factory location just from there. Obviously we have the USB placed at the very bottom just over here. So we have the radio playing currently right now. We have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We also have the options for rear cameras, DAB, FM radio, AUX and HDMI. And that's what this Alpine radio offers. And that is the radio on here.